Okay, the price is now sitting between two 4-hour key levels. I'll be very interested in this support below. From there, I'd like to take long into this order block, so really short-term trade. So we will see what price will do. The idea is actually very simple. If this support holds the price, I want to see confirmation. Since I trade absorption, I ideally want to see strong delta together with volume, because a lot of people will be opening breakout short below these swing lows, which could act as a fuel for limit long orders from traders who have the same goal as me, to long this level. So what I'm waiting for is absorption below these 5-minute swing low levels. Ideally, as I said, with a high volume and with negative delta, which will in this case indicate trapped short traders. I already made a lot of videos about this absorption concept, so if you want to learn more about this, visit my website or my YouTube channel where you can find a ton of free content. The core is very simple. Absorption is basically indication of reversal. So if you see, for example, a lot of negative delta at some specific support, it means that a lot of traders, a lot of short traders want to play short through this level and want to play breakout of this support level, which is basically pretty common behavior. But if the price is not moving in their direction, that means that they are being absorbed, and they are being absorbed by limit long traders. So aggressive market short traders who want to play breakout of this support level will serve as a fuel for one or more big limit buy orders from big institutions, which want to play long. And that's exactly the main concept of absorption, in this case of bearish absorption. Yes, exactly, this is what I'm waiting for. A huge bearish candle together with high volume and negative delta. This is exactly what I want to see if I want to play long. So now we are basically testing swing low level from 5-minute time frame in 4-hour support zone. So it's very likely that someone is filling their limit buy orders here. So perfect, now I know there's activity here, but I still need to wait for price reaction because it's 50-50 right now. So the plan is follows. If I see price continue lower and leave these volumes behind, these sellers got what they wanted. However, if I see rotation to the upside, that would indicate absorption, and in that case, I'll want to enter a long position. So let's wait and let's see what the price will actually do and how it will react to those volumes. When I zoom in into this candle, there's a huge order with a negative delta of minus 612. But what is very strange is the price didn't manage to stay below that level and it's having trouble pushing through it, even though it's sell order. So this is first sign of absorption, and I'm very curious what price will do in next following minutes. We can also see two large sell imbalances, so that basically confirms the idea of selling. We can see a lot of selling pressure, but price is not moving to the downside, which is exactly what I was talking about. A large selling intention, but we can't see any further price drop. So yeah, we know there's battle between buyers and sellers. We can see a lot of aggressive sellers pushing through a large limit buy orders. So now we want to wait which side will be stronger and which side will push price up or down. Alright, so far so good. We have absorption with bearish absorption, and now I want to see some kind of confirmation of that absorption. So I will wait till the price close above this candle with high volume and with negative delta. If this next candle or next following candles will close above this candle right here, I will consider this as a strong dominance of buyers, because even with negative volumes and with negative delta, they were able to push the price upward. So this would be green side for me. Yes, this is exactly what I was talking about. So I want to go long. The stop loss is as always below these levels that acts as a boundaries, and the take profit is the fair value gap on the other side. I'll just quickly adjust the SL and TP level, and yeah, perfect. Since we have really strong confidences here, the price should have no problem reaching our take profit level. We got a huge amount of trapped volume below us, so even if the price will pull back to these levels, I expect those trapped short traders to start closing their position in loss, which would create an additional buying pressure. So we have a huge, strong support below us. So far so good, the price is doing exactly what I was expecting. My take profit is 890 bucks, so we'll see if we can hit this take profit, but as I said, because we have really strong support below us and really nice confirmation in form of absorption, I think this take profit level up here wouldn't be any problem. My risk for this specific position is 640 bucks, which basically makes R multiple of 1.4R. So yeah, I'm risking $600, $630 to make $890. And that's very important, the risk multiple. You should never risk more than is your potential profit. And yeah, we hit the target. Beautiful setup that played out exactly according to plan. We swept this swing highs right here, and in the same time we mitigate this for our fair value gap, which was the original target. Now, I can wait for bullish absorption and prepare for short because we are currently in a 4-hour fair value gap, which basically serves as a resistance zone. But this one setup is enough for me, and I'm glad I made 890 bucks minus fees, and I'm glad I managed to capture it on video. So this is basically how I trade BTC futures using order flow and simple price action. If this video caught your attention and you want to learn the exact A to Z blueprint which I just showed you, you are lucky, because on my website you will find a full crypto order flow trading course along with free PDF materials. So I leave you link in the description of this video. Check it out, it's a great stuff. And if you have any following question about this topic, about this video, feel free to ask in the comment section down below, because Lunar Trading Academy is here to help you. Also, I'd really appreciate your like and your subscribe to this channel. Take care, good luck in the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.